Sacramento. It just issued another SVR. Bro, Sacramento issued another SVR. What the heck, bro? This is crazy. There it goes. Dude, we got another SVR. What is wrong with that, Sacramento? I think I hear two of them playing. What? It's over here.
Here is an urgent message from the National
Dude, what the heck?
in California, Butte, Glen, Plumas, and Tehama.
Jeez.
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
God damn, bro.
County in Northern California, southeastern
Oh my gosh.
Central Butte County in Northern California, northeastern Glen County in Central California until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:44 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chico, moving northeast
Bro,
at 40
I am
miles
playing a
per
game
hour.
and this keeps happening.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter
Gosh. I'm gonna have to do a live stream on this now.
impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Dude, I can't
Sighting.
take this in.
Locations impacted include Chico, Paradise, Sterling City, Delaware's Sabla Powerhouse, Forest Ranch, Lovelock, Richardson, Springs, Regalia, Durham, Dayton, and Conco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A brief tornado is possible with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following
What the heck?
counties in California: Butte, Glen, Plumas, and Tehama.